Welcome to the video. The Garden of Eden, the free frugivore diet. Only trees can store pollution, can store carbon dioxide. Vines as watermelon, canary melon, cantaloupe melon, cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, those things cannot help Mother Earth because those are plants or vines that cannot store pollution or carbon dioxide in the roots. So when we eat fruit, we should eat fruit from trees because trees can go deep into the soil, and this is where most of the nutrition is. From a vine, it is not going deep in watermelon root is not going deep in the soil, so it cannot take the most nutrients which are deep in the soil. And it's a monoculture thing that is causing deforestation. So it's the better that we have a mango forest or whatever, a jackfruit forest is even a better thing because these trees are huge trees that can store a lot of pollution from humanity, storing carbon dioxide in the roots. So this is what fruitarians need to understand, that tree fruits are the origin of humanity, the beginning in the Garden of Eden. There were no cucumbers, there were no tomatoes, there was no lettuce, there was no watermelons or cantaloupes or whatever. There were only trees. Even a banana can store pollution in the roots. The carbon dioxide, even bananas can, papayas can, even when the root system is not going deep from these plants. But they have more developed root system than a vine plant. So they are even better. So eat what comes from a tree, or eat papaya or eat banana, but avoid the vine plants because they cannot go deep to get the most of the nutrients, and they are causing deforestation, and they require a lot of chemicals because of monoculture. The mango monoculture is also requiring chemicals. Humans need to understand they need to do diversity growing with ground cover, with straw around the tree, with grass clippings around the tree, with leaves around the tree. So mulching the trees instead of chemicals spraying, and that will lead to quality fruits, because monoculture fruits, one fruit is good, another fruit is bad. So it's not stable, the monoculture. And often you get fruits without sweetness. That is why all these people putting sugar on the fruit. It's only a lack of knowledge that humans think only about profit, not about quality when they grow fruit. And this is why people need to take an example, like people that do very much mulching and growing fruit forest, like Randy Chup, El Tigre. You find them on YouTube. I can share a link, and more people need to farm like him because he is mulching with coconuts, he is mulching with leaves, he is mulching with branches. So every tree is properly mulched, and when you get a jackfruit or you get a zapote, is mostly high quality. It's not comparable to monoculture. So this is the real human diet.